Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss class 9 CBSE an example sum. It is related with the question number 4. If you understand this example sum, question number 4 you can do very easily. So the question is, construct a triangle ABC in which angle B 60 degree, angle C 45 degree and AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11 centimeter. Meaning is the base angles are given. In the triangle, 3 angles are there. So 2 angles given and the perimeter is given. So we want to construct the triangle ABC. So what are the basic things you must know here? Perimeter, how to construct the angle and how to draw the angle bisector. These 3 things you must know. Okay, let us start now. First we'll start the rough diagram. You want to construct anything, it is related with the practical geometry. You don't forget to draw the rough diagram. Okay, let us draw the rough diagram now. Rough diagram is just model. You draw any triangle. We want to draw triangle, no? Just draw any one triangle. You don't need to worry. Triangle is with shape, no problem. But it should be a triangle. Okay, 3 angles, 3 sides. So the base angles are given now. That base angle you take it down, BC. Angle B is 60 degree, angle C is 45 degree, and the remaining angle will be ABC. Okay, and the AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11 centimeter. This one. Okay, these are the things given by the question now. So let us draw the fair diagram. On one side also not given, perimeter is given now, so that means we can't do anything. We can't draw angle without drawing any side also. What to do? You draw the perimeter first. Okay, draw the perimeter first. What is the perimeter? 11 centimeter. This 11 centimeter, give the name as PQ. Okay, but don't take ABC. Last part we want to get ABC. This is not the any side, because if you are giving AB, giving like this means AB is one of the side, but one side also not given. You consider as any other letter, not the ABC. So I am taking here now PQ. So now what you are going to do? Draw the angle at P. At the point P, draw the angle 60 degrees, same as angle B. This one for 60 degree. Okay, I draw this one now. Next, you know how to draw the 60 degree. From this point again, draw one arc. So this will be 60 degree. What the angle is given there, same as this angle you have to draw at P. Similarly, at C, how much now? 45 degree. So angle Q you have to draw 45. How to draw 45? Half of the 90. First you draw 90 degree. From this point again, 90 degree you know how to draw. One arc. Again from this point, one arc. Then again from this point, draw one arc. Again from this point, draw one arc. Okay, now the 2 arcs meeting at here now. Here you have to draw 90 degree. Actually why I am drawing dotted lines, 90 degree is not required here. We want 45 degree now. Then for this 90 degree, actually 90 degree is not given, angle C is 45 degree. So you have to draw 45 degree. 45 is nothing but half of the 90 degree. So you have to draw the bisector of 90 degree now. Okay, how to draw bisector? Take this much length. Take this much length. Draw one arc here. From this 90 degree. Okay, again from this point, draw one arc. So this one will get 90 degree, 45 degree. Okay, so you got the 2 angles. One is 60 degree, one is 45 degree. Then again what you are going to do? This 60 degree you have to draw the bisector. because actually see 60 degrees given, 45 degree given, we have drawn 60 degree drawn, 45 degree drawn. Then what you are going to do is draw the bisector of this 60 degree and bisector of 45 degree. Okay, let us draw now. This much point you can take, or you can take more also. Okay, I am taking this much now. Draw one arc. Again from this point. Okay, so this will come half of the 60 degree. Half of the 60 degree means how much? 30 degree. Okay, so you draw with the dotted line. This bisector you draw with the dotted line. Okay, then again this 45 degree you have to draw the bisector. Take this much length or more, no problem, but don't take less. Okay, draw one arc here, draw one arc. Then this will be bisector of 45 degree. Okay, so now the two bisector meeting at one point, this point you give as A. After taking this A, we got two line segment, AP and the AQ. So what you're going to do is draw the APU perpendicular bisector and the AQ perpendicular bisector of AP. I have taken more than half. Okay, draw one arc. Down also, draw one arc. Then from the P, same radius, draw one arc. Here also draw one arc. Now the two arcs meeting at 2 points. What we are going to draw is what we are trying to draw is perpendicular bisector of PQ. So we can draw now perpendicular bisector. You know the meaning. It should be perpendicular. The line should be perpendicular to the AP, as well as AP will be divided into two equal parts. Okay. While drawing this perpendicular bisector, the perpendicular bisector and the PQ meeting at one point, that one you give as B. Okay. Then again you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AQ. Take more than half. The line should come in the center now. I took more than half. Draw one arc here. Here also draw one arc. Then similarly from A, draw one arc. Here also draw one arc. Now we got 2 points here. Now join this one. This will be the perpendicular bisector of AQ. Okay, so this perpendicular bisector of AQ and the PQ, perpendicular bisector of AQ and the line PQ meeting at one point, this one you give as C. Now we got ABC. So what to do? Last step now, join AB, another one AC. So now ABC is your required triangle. Okay, you can verify the answer now whether your diagram is correct or not. Measure all the three sides and check it 11 centimeter coming or not. Now AB I got 3. AB is 3 centimeter. AB I got 3 centimeter. BC 4.1. AC 3.9. AC 3.9. So what is answer now? 0 4 11 centimeter. So our diagram is correct now. And also you can verify the angle also. Angle B should come 60 degree. Angle B should come 60 degree. Angle C should come 45 degree. Okay. So now PQ is 11 centimeter. Angle B is 60 degree. Angle C is 45 degree. So like that. Okay. This is how we are going to construct the triangle ABC when the base angle are given and the perimeter is given.